Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial we are going to look at assignment number 019, that is on C, stack and queues, more so specifically on the LIFO and the FIFO. So those are the two key things that you need to understand before we proceed to the actual assignment. As you can see, we have the reading material. So before you do the assignment, ensure that you go through this part. These are the one, or the reading material. And maybe because we need now to understand the meaning of the LIFO and the FIFO, there is a small summary that I've prepared for you. For the FIFO, if you look at this one, this is stack and queues. And stack is a container of objects that are inserted and removed according to the last in, first out, that is the LIFO principle. While for the queue, it is a container of objects or a linear collection that are inserted or removed according to the first in, first out. So based on that, we need now to understand the meaning of the FIFO, LIFO, and the FILO principle. Now for the queue, FIFO, that is the first in, first out. The first object into the queue is the first object to leave the queue, used by the queue. While for the stack, last in, first out, that is LIFO, the last object into the stack is the object to leave the stack, used by the stack. While for the stack, for FILO, first in, last out, the first object or the item in the stack is the last object to, or the item to leave the stack. While for the queue, last in, last out, we have the LILO. The last object or the item in a queue is the object or the item to leave the queue. Just as you can see, we have the queue, we have the back, front, and queue. This is for the queue. Well, for the stack, we have the push and we have the pop. Those are the two main things, because in the actual assignment, you will find that you will be using the push and the pop. Okay, let's start with the first question that we have. And we have what is the command used to add a new element into a stack? This is our stack. This is the stack. So for you to add the new element, which is this one, you push. To get rid of the element, you pop. So definitely the answer is going to be push. Okay, next part, we have which of these stacks are keeping the order of insertion? Select all possible. The order of insertion is supposed to be FIFO, that is first in, first out. And LILO, that is last in, last out. Then the next part, what is the command used to remove a new element from the stack? Just as we have seen, this one, this is how you are getting rid of the element, so you pop. So for you to insert, you push. To get rid, you pop. I hope you get what I mean. So the answer is supposed to be pop. And last, we have which of those stacks are reversing the order of insertion? You're supposed to select all the possible answers, and we have LIFO and FILO. That is a last in, first out, and first in, last out. So in the next part, we now tackle all these questions from number 0 all the way to number 14. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you have any question, just write it down there on the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as I see your question. Thank you. Bye bye.